In this video, I'll walk you through on how to convert a web page, okay, you're accessing on Microsoft Edge web browser to PDF. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step is to be on the web page. It can be an article you're accessing online, okay? So this article states Florida County School Board shared deletes comments celebrating Hulk Hogan's death as one less maga. All right, so this is an article and I want to use it for something in the future. All right, so I want to convert this to PDF. I have it saved on my PC. How do you go about it? First step, click on the three dots at the top right of your Edge browser. This will provide you with some options. Select print. All right. On this page, you will see the copies, the number of copies that will be printed, one, and the pages, all the pages will be selected, will be printed, will be converted to PDF. If you want maybe odd pages only, go with this. If you want only even pages, select this. Or if you want to choose particular page ranges, okay, click here and then insert them, okay. All right. And this is preview, as I said before, of what you're going to print. The next step you need to take is if this is not set as Microsoft Print to PDF or just print to PDF, click on this drop down and select it or save as PDF. Because sometimes if you are printed from this browser to a printer, a physical printer, the printer may be the selection here. So ensure that you have Microsoft Print to PDF or save as PDF. All right, any of these two is fine. Okay, then the next step you need to take is to click on print button. This will open a folder on your PC. All right. So here I'm on the downloads folder. If you don't want this information to be saved in the downloads folder, click on another folder. So here, let's go with documents. So I'll click on documents folder. Then file name. Give this web page a name of your choice. Okay, this web page that will be converted to PDF, give it a name of your choice. Let's say I'm gonna call this news update. All right, then once you're done with giving it a name, click on save, and this is saved. Now let's go and access this in my PC. First, click on your file explorer because here I'm using Windows 11 PC. Then I'll select documents because I saved that in the documents folder. Okay, so once documents is selected, look at the name of the file, look at the file here. I will double click on it for it to open. I can maximize. All right, so with this you can read through everything here as it's appeared on the web. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, all right? YouTube education and self-publishing, okay? So subscribe to learn how to complete tasks in all these areas, okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment if you have some questions, okay, in the comment section. You can watch this video here on another tutorial on Microsoft Edge web browser. Thank you and see you some other time.